Beep beep. Hello guys, welcome to a new reaction video on my channel Kazincredible. Beep beep. And today you are watching with me the dance video by Nona, the new song Honk. Beep beep. I have reacted to the music video Honk and it was so nice. It was very authentic Indonesian and I love that because these girls are really authentic and the music is so nice. It's really representing Indonesia and that's why I like it. And the songs are really catchy. And yeah, and today they have released a dance video and I'm so excited for that. Beep beep. If you have more suggestions, if you want to see more reaction videos, please write it down in the comments what you want to see. And yeah, otherwise I would say let's start with the dance video. Get on the uncut. Beep beep. So I couldn't understand the term get on the uncut, but I have found a comment. I don't know if it fits really good to the meaning. It's written, this is the soul of an Indonesian bus terminal, the quiet struggle of people chasing a better tomorrow, silver men, parking attendants, terminal brokers, roaming coffee vendors, cigarette kiosks, siomay sellers, silok sellers, balloon vendors, and humble chicken noodle stalls. This is the real heartbeat of an Indonesian bus terminal, where every face has a story, every hustle has a purpose, and every day is another fight to put food on the table. It sounds like a good comment, and maybe it tells everything what about Angkot. I don't know. Otherwise, you can correct me. Beep beep. So guys, I would say let's start with the dance video. Oh, there's written honk on the bus. Beautiful for girls. Look at her. Hey. Okay, nice choreography, but that's really cool. Hey, get on uncut. Beep beep. Nice. Ooh. I like this dance move. That's so nice. This one. I like how these girls are doing extraordinary dance moves because these dance moves you can't see in other girl groups. Hey. Wow. I have to see that live. Get on God. Get on God. Beep beep. Oh. Damn, guys. That's so cool. Da, What's the meaning of the silver man? I mean, I have read it in a comment, but now I see here a man which is silver. What's the meaning about it? That's really nice. Get on the bus. So that was really cool. Let's give a like. And guys, that's so cool. I really enjoyed it. It was so fun to watch because, I mean, the choreography was really nice to watch and I love it. And I'm so happy that I will go to Indonesia soon. Last year I was in Jakarta and in Bali, and in October I'm again in Bali because I need sun and relaxing. But I hope one day I can see more other parts of Indonesia because Indonesia has so many beautiful places. Yeah, but one day I hope, inshallah. So write your opinion in the comments, how you like the dance moves, the dance choreography. Tell me everything. If you want to see more reaction videos, please write your suggestions down. And if you enjoyed my reaction video, please like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's for free. And yeah, thanks for watching. Terima kasih, and I hope I will see you in the next video.